welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Today is Vlogmas day 11 and we're gonna officially end Vlogmas here. It was so nice to actually do Vlogmas. It's my first time I'm doing continuously videos and actually missed a lot of them in between, but that's fine. It's just first time, we're just trying, so all good. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the most requested videos. So I have my studio tour. So a lot of people have been asking me, requesting me a lot of times on my DMs, on my comments and all this stuff. So whenever I'm on Instagram live also, people keep asking me for the studio tour. So I couldn't really do it then because it was so much like bad. I couldn't even put it here on camera. So yeah, I have changed a lot of things. You can see different stuff in the whole Vlogmas season. So yeah, today is the tour of my studio. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video, shall we? So I'm gonna show you guys how I got from this to this. I haven't bought anything that's specially for this. Whatever I had, I used only those. So first let's just get some work done. So I'm gonna remove everything what's there, clean little bit and move off the stuff to where I want it to be. So I took a paper and literally drew my whole room, and then I kinda did where I want my stuff to be. So I am just gonna place everything where I want it and rearrange everything. So everything here I'm using is already there in my place, so I didn't buy anything specially. So this is a fabric again, so which I just pasted with using a DST. I've cut it into strips and pasted all across. Then I placed this mat and whatever I have again. I had this fabric from Chamina which I pasted again. I'm gonna tell all the details at the end when I'm gonna show you guys the final outcome. I also did a kind of a DIY, so I just drew a reindeer over there at the head of it, and then I took some glue, some glitter and few brushes. So I've painted glue wherever I wanted and sprinkled some glitter, and later took off the sprinkles wherever it's not required with using a brush. So as you enter, it's gonna look like this, and this corner, that's the door. And let's just talk about this corner. So this corner has this leaf from IKEA and all my hats which I love using, so that's there in this corner. And my next corner is this. I got these umbrellas from Amazon, and I have a planner which I don't really use at all. I made the DIY planner, and then this is my one of the machines. I placed it here. Then I have this thing done DIY again. I got this done using this nails, and I put all my threads just for decoration. And I also have this whiteboard which I don't really use right now, but then I painted it gold. Later I have another machine of mine which is placed here. I then placed my body foam here and put a little bit of string lights there. And then this is a fabric. I had feather fabric. I placed it over my windows. And I'm going to show you guys the details. So this one's Fashion and Love. This one I got it from Itsy Bitsy. The pyramids from Egypt, and there's this a scented candle from IKEA, and then I have this Calvin Klein perfume, and then I have few fake flowers and a pot from IKEA. And this one is a DIY again. I got all the frames from Amazon and I kind of did DIY, took printouts and stuff. Then I also have a flower hanging from there. That is, I don't remember where it's from, and I have few fairy lights going on. So this has to be my favorite corner. I'm gonna talk about everything again, whatever is present in here. So going in detail again, these are the stuff I got from IKEA again, organizers. I have my books and pens and everything there. and I have this fake plant and an scented candle again from IKEA. Then I have this mirror from IKEA. It's a double-sided mirror. Then I have again something kind of a jewelry stand from IKEA. I put my sunglasses there. Then I kind of did this DIY. If you haven't watched, I'm gonna put a link over here so you just can go and watch that thing. And I have my Christmas tree here. How pretty is that? I just got it from a local market for 45 rupees. That's it. Then this one, I just told you guys how I did it. It's just a fabric, sequence fabric. I pasted using a double-sided tape all over the table. Then I have this catwalk box, which has all my wires, and this is my printer. I covered it with a fake fur cloth. Again, I got it from IKEA, and I placed all my things there. And this knobs, I painted it gold just to go with the white. And then this one is again from a local market, a carpet. Then I have this chair and the fur from IKEA again. And this is my favorite corner. Going back to these two stuff, I got this from IKEA again. I put a gift wrap inside. And then this is a DIY I just made. You guys saw it, how I made it. So this is the outcome. Then I pasted this wall paper. This is kind of a 3D foam paper. I got it from AliExpress for 200 bucks, one sheet. Then I have this fur again, fake fur cloth. I got it from Charminar, and I placed a lot of pillows from IKEA, and I also placed a soft toy from IKEA again. So that's how it looks. This is my favorite corner in the studio. I hope you like it. That is it for the video, you guys. I hope you like it. Which corner is your favorite? Mine is of course this, and I'm sure you guys even love this, and the brick wall, which is just right there. So yeah, that is it, and I am ending the Vlogmas here. So from next video, it's going to be Monday or Thursday or Tuesday or Friday. So I'm like confused between these two days, but I'm sure that 2 videos a week is a deal we have, because I have shot in a day, edited in a day, and then uploaded in the same day. So I think I can actually kind of do 2 in a week. That's like very simple, I feel like now. So I'm gonna upload a video tomorrow, which is going to be something that is a review which we didn't really do a long time. It's been I have done a review, so tomorrow is that one. Don't miss out on that. That'll be the last video of this year, which is 31st of December, Monday. So yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Until then, lots of love. Bye. Oh, also like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.